I was the IT lead for a major organization change we were rolling out. The executives at a large delivery center in Europe, which supported many customers across the continent, asked for on-site assistance with the rollout. After I arrived, I was led into a conference room with five executives for a meet and greet. Few minutes into the meeting, the walls of the conference room slided out, and I saw a large room with 60 to 70 people, and more kept pouring in. I could clearly sense that something was wrong. The executives told me that they had invited all the managers and their leads because they have several questions about the program. And the questions started coming in. What were the reasons for this change? What problems are we solving? What metrics do we have to support the stated problems? What results are we expecting from the change? How did we validate if the change will yield expected results? And so on. None of these questions were related to the system rollout, but about the business decisions that went into the program. I realized that there was lack of communication about the change. The dialogue continued throughout the week. I was able to answer many of their questions. While the team members still had some skepticism, they were more relaxed and offered some good ideas to make adjustments and improvements. Within few weeks of implementation, we were seeing good adoption and positive results. Based on this lesson, I flew to other sites for their rollout. Now, this wasn't a one-off situation. I've been in the middle of several initiatives where business leaders underestimate the need for organizational change management. Now, here are 10 lessons from these experiences. Number one, establish a communication and training plan to convey the changes. Number two, clearly document the need for the change and supporting metrics. Number three, anticipate the criticism, skepticism, and resistance. Be prepared to address them satisfactorily. Number four, create contingency plans to minimize risk and disruptions. Number five, partner upfront across the organization to create a sense of co-ownership. Number six, be flexible to accommodate regional and cultural differences. Number seven, change often triggers emotional feelings. Establish a support structure to listen and empathize. Number eight, reward behaviors that support and improve the change. Number nine, measure and monitor the expected outcomes and adjust as needed along the way. And finally, transparently share results, regardless if they are positive or negative. I would love to hear your experiences. Take care.